Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Subaru Impreza and 22B-STi version. I honestly don't know what this one stands for. So if anyone knows about that, just put it in the comments. So we did unbox Subaru, by Tamika long back. So I personally loved that one so much. So let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. I'm really sorry about the background noise, guys. These are stray dogs and it is like it's around like midnight 1 a.m. now. So I don't know, some people are still roaming the streets and these dogs are shouting like crazy. Okay, so here it is. So let's talk about first impressions about this casting. See, the casting looks really nice, but as usual you can see there is some damage in the windshield. Again, I'm not sure how this is happening every time with metal. You can see some paint damage here. The livery looks really nice and there are no tail light details and okay, so it does have headlight details here, but since it's white and headlight details also they painted it as white. Nice tab metal for keeping the same color, which is probably this one of the stupidest paint job I have ever seen in a car. Look at the logo there. I mean, what is that? Did someone spit it there, or what it is? I'm not sure. So they call that logo. Man, these dogs are really driving me nuts at this point of time. But not more than metal, I can say. Okay, so the body is made of metal and the chassis is plastic. And see, honestly, the casting is really a solid casting. It looks really good, but really wish they don't have this much of silly issues which you can see here. I really hope whoever else getting these kind of castings, so they don't have these issues which I am having. See, I as I already mentioned in the that prelude video, these castings were bought to me by one of my friend. Usually I buy these castings, so most of the time from the same shop and all, and it usually has a lot of issues. So one of the guy mentioned you try from a different shop or from a different city, something like that. So this is literally from a different city, this entire set which I unboxed from last week till this week. So even though I bought it from a different city entirely and from a different shop and everything, you know you can still see similar issues or worse than that in some cases. So end of the day, it's one word, that is metal quality control for you. Then they are not going to do anything to rectify this. You need to spend that amount, this much amount of money to get this kind of castings with this much issues. You need to live with it. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it does roll really smooth. I don't see any wheel wobble in the first roll. Yeah, I don't see any wheel wobble, which is really nice. Yeah, which is really nice, and I don't see any wheel wobble. But okay, so the entire body is metal, the chassis is plastic, including the spoiler, which is metal, that is not plastic, and it has rear view mirrors as well, which is really good. So I'm sure whoever's planning to customize this, they are going to have a blast because being a beautiful car and a beautiful casting, this one is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.